Hello friends, if you find a strange white-brown coating or foam on the engine oil filler cap, this is emulsion of water and oil. There is no danger to the internal combustion engine. This is ordinary condensate, a liquid formed when a gas or vapor condenses. Where can it came from? Of course from the moist air that enters the engine. That's why white bloom often occur during the cold period. Another thing, if it appears on the dipstick itself to measure the oil level. It's about a blown cylinder head gasket. In this case, antifreeze enters one of the cylinders and mixes with oil. The engine starts without driving even a couple of kilometers. If the gasket is broken in a small amount and often misses, then the engine will not start well, there will be interruption in movement, there will be white smoke from the exhaust systems. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and part like.